Hello learners! It's great to see you again. In this video, we will learn more about the water cycle. Can anyone tell me what the water cycle is?
The water cycle is the continuous movement of water from the Earth to the atmosphere and back to Earth again.
Yes, that's right. But what do you think happens to water as it goes through the water cycle?
Let's find out.
For this experiment, you will need a large bowl, a small cup, plastic wrap large enough to cover the opening of the large bowl, some ice cubes and warm water. Firstly, to set up the experiment, fill 3/4 of the large bowl with warm water. Then, place a small cup in the center of the large bowl. We have also added some blue food coloring so that the water can be seen easily. Next, cover the opening of the bowl with plastic wrap. Lastly, add a few ice cubes on the top of the plastic wrap. Now, we shall observe the setup for an hour. Let's pause here. What do the two of you see?
There's some water droplets forming on the underside of the plastic wrap.
Teacher, why does that happen?
That's because the warm water in the bowl evaporates to form water vapor. The water vapor rises and cools on the surface of the plastic wrap. As the water vapor cools, it condenses to form water droplets. After an hour has passed, we can carefully remove the ice, water, and plastic wrap from the top of the bowl. What can we observe from the small cup? Pause and share your observation with the class.
There seems to be some water in the small cup.
Yes! That happens when the water droplets get bigger and heavier, which causes them to fall into the cup. So class, how is the experiment related to the water cycle?
I know. The warm water in the experiment actually represents water that has been heated by the sun.
Yes, when water is heated, it evaporates to form water vapor. The water vapor then rises high up into the air where it cools and condenses to form water droplets.
When the water droplets come together, they form clouds.
Exactly. The clouds become big and heavy as more and more water droplets are formed. Eventually, the water droplets falls to the earth as rain. Great job on completing the video. I hope to see you soon.